guys, this is the airport that used to be. Huh? Wants to be.
Oh, cheers.
Wants to be very, very, very busy. And look at it now. No flight. Can't imagine it. I think that was like 2 years. Was it 2 years or a year ago I was here? We went on holiday. And it was a very busy airport. And this is what it's like now. So where's the food shop? Oh, oops, it's open. This. Okay. There's only one shop open, all I can see. Coffee shop is closed. So when we use this airport, I used to go have coffee over there. Everything is closed. And this one, my son's getting some food. It's really weird, isn't it? Could you get me a bar of chocolate, please? Maybe Twix or something like something healthy. So ito lang ang open na shop. Or maybe something healthy. What can I have? Is it expensive?
Yeah, I'll get a few if you want.
Oh, peanut butter. Oh, this one will do. It's nice. Thank you, my son, my baby. He's my baby. So, nakakaano. Look at this. Everywhere is closed. Wants to be a very busy, very, very, very busy airport, and now it's dead. It's like a ghost airport. It goes a long way around the corner there. This airport, around the corner. Wait a minute. Let's make it worse. Ito na lang ang bantay na pulis. Easy. Ganyan ang itsura ng anak ko kasi anak ko pulis. Pag naka-uniform siya, ganyan ang kanyang uniform. Did you get my chocolate? You've got your trousers is very dirty. So what's time now? Shall we go there now? I can't remember the time. What was time? 3:52 said, yeah? Ito yung North Terminal. Oh my God! Now I'm in the airport. I'm really missing going on holiday. Such a shame. Kahit yung road that's not busy, it's not that busy. Usually ito napaka-busy nito. We're just waiting for our train kasi may mga 42 minutes o less than 42 minutes pa kami magantay. Reading to a train from Gatwick to Reading. So here we are. We're just gonna sit over there first. Gatwick Airport notice. Passengers are advised that all flights are operating from the North Terminal. That's where I was sitting earlier on. So ayan guys, ito yung pag-catch ng train papuntang London, heart of London. Transport for London. So it's all quiet. It's really weird. So sad. Everything is closed. Security. Pagbaba mo na aeroplano dito ka lalabas. So paglabas mo dyan, straight to the coffee shop. Ito yung coffee shop. Coffee shop. It's the shop. There's the local public buses. I'm not going to go there. So it's 3:26 p.m. So what's this one? A warm welcome. A warm welcome, your London Airport Gatwick. Ito, airport concierge. Tourist office. Ito yung ano sa workspace on Yotel Air. Relax with me. Pag gusto nyo mag-hotel before the day of your flight, the day before your flight, pwede kayo mag-check-in din sa Yotel Air. So sa taas, puro cafes and restaurants po yan, guys. Ito, magazine and book shops. Kasi ito, departures, there's departures. And ito naman yung flight, arrivals from Ireland. Dito siya. So, maliit lang tong Gatwick Airport. Pero yung pinakamalaki sa sa mga Heathrow Airport. The busiest airport in the world, apparently. Or maybe updated na siya. James, we still got time? Hello? No, I don't work here, sorry.
Oh, right.
What do you want to know?
I'm looking for the North Terminal.
Oh yeah, that's the only one that's working apparently.
Right.
Yeah, so all the flights are going that way.
Right, so I don't have to go to the right.
No, there's nothing there.
Oh,
I've just been there. And there's a notice over there. It says all the flights are working that one, North Terminal. Alright, thank you very much. Bye. Have a nice flight. I could work here, I know the information. Napagkamalan akong nagwo-work dito. dalawang tao na napagkakamalan ako. I'm working in the airport. Maybe I can work in the airport when it's quiet like this. Not in a very busy, not a very busy mode, James, isn't it?
No.
I'm gonna get stressed. There was a dog there earlier. When did you see the dog?
Yeah, I saw it.
He jumped on me. He go. Shall we go down now, mate? You see, because the airport is so quiet, a lot of people from working here. But at least, even I don't work here, I know where the information is. I can give them information, which I just read over there at the back. So guys, ito lang pong North Terminal ang operational. So only at the North Terminal is the flight operating, nowhere else. And this is the train station, look. So if you have watched this video, maybe you have noticed all the people are going inside that door, that automatic door, with all their luggages. So that's the only terminal that's in operation for flight. Nabasa ko lang yun sa notice over there. So kaya alam ko. So there you go. Northbound local buses, Metrobus. What a beautiful day. Wake up, it's a beautiful morning. Let's go, James. Are you definitely sure it's 3 what? 3:52 is the, yeah? So we've got, how long is it? 5, 10, 15, 20. We got 20 minutes. Oh no, we've only got what, 5? No, we've got more, less than that. Because they might change the time and we don't know what platform it is. And we still have to walk. Look at how quiet is this. Ito yung mga gate. Ito yung ano, check-in, where you check in. Close. There you go, guys. Dito po ang check-in luggage. Mga baggage. Sarado siya. How sad is that? Getting worried. Lovely, thank you very much for that. Bye.